So here's a adorable trade on S&P. I'm so happy and I'm so thrilled when S&P finally behaving itself. It is such a music to my ears because it's been ultimate torture. You're witnessing time and time again how much S&P adores and worships decision point 2. This is hourly chart. This is your guiding light. We stayed through ultimate torture, where I continue warning you time and time again. This is not the morning you want to buy S&P. Like we done previous times, like we done yesterday, the market closed for 10 points. This structure is completely different. This will be drastically more interesting. Finally, after worthless sleepy crawl, S&P has given us something that I truly enjoy. Here it is, shock or not, 3 points later. Struggling, oh my goodness, at reversal zone. S&P, what is happening here? Shock or not, reversal zone is reached. Price is crushing and burning just like decision point 1 was reached to the upside. How predictable is price? This is decision point 1 where bullish rally had started on Friday. This is decision point 1 where bullish started pre-market yesterday. Will this be the morning S&P will blast through? Remains to be seen, as this is reversal zone on our trade. 3.5 or 3 points later. And this is what I continue reminding you. We're sitting on pretty impressive Fibonacci support on weekly, traders. Remember what 1800 number reversal zone was on weekly? Have you been buying S&P at 1800? Because it is not just reversal zone on weekly, it is decision point 2 on monthly that S&P been respecting for the last 2 months. It is decision point 2 on yearly that S&P been respecting for the last year and a half. All the same formula. You learn Fibonacci, you will benefit from this forever. This may be the very last bootcamp I will be teaching. I'm shifting my focus to trading, and more trading, more work with hedge funds, more work with family offices. This afternoon I'm trading hedge fund traders. I live and breathe what I do. You have to be out of your freaking mind not to see how magical Fibonacci is. Why in the world would you trade any indicators? Why would you do that to yourself? Next target, 1985. Trail outside of this. Simple. Thank you, S&P, for finally behaving yourself. Because that my torture only non-human can take. That's why I can't wait for bootcamp. We're off on complete lockdown this Friday. We will be reopening on 27th. I'm meeting with students in New York on March 25th. As soon as bootcamp is over, I'm off to New York. I live and breathe when I meet those who learn how to fish. Magic happens if you conquer yourself and you play by the rules. That's what it's all about. Clear on that? Wouldn't it be lovely if S&P would give us 10 points like it did yesterday at the market close? Remains to be seen if that will happen. While our trade dancing at reversal zone, let's take a look what has happened on other instruments and where they are today. What did I project it on Apple? Shock or not? This was Apple reversal zone from 130. What did Apple respect it? The end of the minor trend. Correct? Where did Apple reverse from and what has been posted on LinkedIn to everyone in the world of finance? I expect Apple to respect this area and to head higher up. Let's see what Apple will do. Shock or not? S&P crushing and burning. How did we know reversal zone had been reached? Just like Apple had done? Reversed from 130. If you listen to me, if you knew Alpha Wave Trader method, you didn't suffer 30% loss and correction on Apple. Pure magic. Where did Apple reverse from? 92.66, 93 area, decision point 1. And where is Apple today? Shock or not? 103.84. Price is that predictable. What are you seeing on the screenshot of Apple? You're seeing that everything is the same formula. Exact same magnificent decision point 2 and the end of the minor trend, present on monthly stock. Exact same formula present on gold. What did I post it on gold? Where's gold heading to? 1200? 1200 broken, gold will head to 1300. How predictable is price? Shall we take a look where gold is today? Have you been buying gold? If you do not conquer yourself, if you do not succeed as a day trader, you will always benefit from Fibonacci levels as investor. This is gold today. Shock or not, bullish rally from 1050, today currently at 1279. We will have very interesting investment conversations with my students in bootcamp. The opportunities that's setting up and playing out in front of you, playing out only every 5 to 8 years. And that's what it's all about. Fibonacci is pure magic. It doesn't matter if you trade stocks, it doesn't matter if you invest in ETFs, it doesn't matter if you trade options. You will forever benefit from Fibonacci. The importance of Fibonacci levels time and time again. All preset by price far in advance. This is the Fibonacci level on weekly spelled out since last year, playing out in front of you today on March 8th. Once you learn the rules, you understand extremely clearly. When price comes to reversal zone, you must exit your position. It doesn't matter if it's Apple monthly, it doesn't matter if it's S&P weekly. Price comes to reversal zone to the downside, expect bearish trend to end. Rules are met, take long. I don't know how long S&P will dance at this crucial weekly Fibonacci support. I just know extremely clearly, if you ever short near, nothing good happens. No indicator on the planet will tell you that. Only your knowledge will. And for that reason, you will forever benefit from Fibonacci, not just as investor, as a day trader, as a position trader, as a stock trader, as an options trader, as ETF investor, as it's all about price and Fibonacci. Everything else, background noise. Buyers picking up this theme. But if you don't know the rules, you don't know what to do. We know extremely well we're not interested touching S&P now. Lower the retracement goes, rules are met, we'll take a trade. As long as S&P will continue respecting decision point 2, we know extremely well we are not shorting near, and we are not buying here. That pure and that simple. We're down only to 2 spaces in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. I don't know when I will be teaching next one. To all the new students, Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp at no cost. Graduates joining at additional fees to learn latest and greatest strategy. So, we will be on lockdown March 11th through 24th. Trading room, all the other rooms are closed, only bootcamp room will be open. On March 25th, I look forward meeting with my dearest students in New York. You joining Alphys? You're in New York? Look forward seeing you. Any questions, as always, feel free to email me or call me. info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298.